In this video, we're talking about aPriori token, legit or scam. So before investing on this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is powered liquidity staking, guys, based on ecosystem. You have a lot of holders here. You can see here, you can unlock liquidity. You can stake any amount here. You can amplify your POS with first powered staking protocols. Powered by all this platform, guys, and pocket by Binance Lab and Consensus and all the Mask and Ventures, all this platform. You can also, guys, use the website here through staking. Just click staking now, and you can use click agree and term and condition. You can start connect your wallet, and you can connect, and you can claim your token. You can staking. You have, this is airdrops. You have bridge. You can, this is for withdraws, climb. Just write the request to withdraw here. The price of this token, guys, is $0.62. Total supply 1 billion of this token. Max supply also 1 billion of this token. This token listed on popular exchange. If I check this, listed on by Coinbase exchange, Binance Alpha, Bitget, Kraken, Bitmart. If I check liquidity circulating supply, 185 million of this token, max supply 1 billion. The holder 7.2 thousand holders. The bullish is 74. I see some engage on this side here. This is good indicator to see this engaging here, guys, on this community. The all-time high of this token almost $0.73. This is good inside also. So guys, this is the holders. I see a huge number here for holders token here, a lot of number. And this time 24 October. This is some transaction last 4 minutes, 7 minutes. This is also good inside to see all this transaction here. So guys, anyway, I give this token 8 on 10, and this is not financial